Welcome to Marketecture, where you can get smart fast with in-depth interviews with leading technology vendors. I'm Ari Paparo. I'm joined today by Jorge Poyatos, the co-founder and co-CEO of Seedtag. Let's go into the product. Okay, so contextual targeting. Are you a data provider or an execution provider?
I would say we're both. So our revenue model is based on media. So we do participate in the transaction of the media.
Okay.
But the media that we sell is media that is enriched and curated using our contextual data.
Okay, great. So you don't sell the contextual data, you sell media that's powered by contextual.
Yeah, we don't sell data as a standalone product.
Okay, we'll talk about the data in a moment. Let's talk about the media first. So how does a customer interact with you? Is it on an IO basis, or do you have a sort of a DSP-like product that they can buy media from?
We don't have a DSP. What we do is we actually curate the media and we put that media available for the clients, for the advertisers. And they can access that media in several ways. So they can buy from their DSP, DV360, the Trade Desk, whatever. Or they can do an IO, which is more like a managed service. So we are agnostic of the way that they want to transact. What we do provide is this curated media, whatever they want to access it.
Mm-hmm. So where does the media come from? Is when you said the DSP example, so someone's using, let's say, DV360 to buy your media, is it like a deal ID? And then is it coming through a exchange or SSP that DV360 is buying into?
Yeah, it could be a deal ID. We have our own exchange, and we have direct relationship with the publishers. So that's why I think one of the values of Seedtag is that direct access. So we know today that in the digital advertising industry, there are many middlemen. Seedtag is able to provide the direct access from DSP to the supply through our direct partnership with the different publishers. We focus on top-tier publishers across all the markets where we operate. And for these publishers, when we started delivering ads into the images. That's how the company was created. And from there, we expanded our solution into other placements in the page. But in many cases, the supply that we're able to offer to the advertiser is supply that is unique by Seedtag. So it's supply that we create, that we enrich, and that the only way that they can access it is by buying through Seedtag.
Well, why is that?
Yeah, we take the sample of in-image advertising. So in most of the cases, we have exclusive agreements with our publishers, where we are the technology that is creating that inventory. So that inventory is only accessible through the Seedtag exchange. No one else can access that.
Okay, so let's talk. In-image is an interesting format, very niche. So basically what we're talking about is the publisher has an image like of a news story or something. And then are you showing an ad like as an overlay on the bottom or something like that?
That's the way that we started, and that it is still part of our value proposition. And yeah, in that case, that's true. That's an overlay that is on top of the image. So we believe that the best way to do contextual is by combining this contextual targeting and this contextual data with the integration of the ad into the content. And that combination, we always use this example, right? If you want to sponsor the Winter Olympics, the best way to do that is not only by being present in the Olympics, it's also by putting your brand into the best placement on the Olympics, right? Maybe in the big jump or in the half pipe or whatever. And we do the same things, right? If you want to own a specific content, if you want to associate to a specific content, to sustainability, to sports, to whatever, the combination of being able to access that content and also showing your message into the best and the most integrated part of the page, that combination is what delivers superior results. So we started with an image, that is the integration of the ad into the image. We also incorporated later on the in-video solution, which is integrating a display ad into a video while the video is playing. And also we expanded into in-article and in-screen that are more standard placement, but still you can integrate the ad within the text or you can integrate the ad within the screen. And that is the set of placement that we offer today. And the combination of this is what maximizes the results for the brands.